Alright guys, so it's December 19th. The stock market will eventually close for Christmas. I want to get some things out before the new year, right? I want to get some 2024 plays, some things that people should pay attention to in my opinion, because in 2024 these things will do well. What I'm going to show you in this video, everyone, is something that's already doing well, but this is just the beginning in my opinion. I'm very bullish and I believe that I will make money from this, so I want to share this with you. Now, please do pay attention to what I'm about to say. You do not and should not trade according to my videos, right? If I am bullish on something, that's just my personal opinion. I want to make this video to put out an idea, share what I think, what I believe, right? Sharing things, and it might help someone out, or maybe it'll push you to want to do some due diligence, which would be a good thing to do your own due diligence, right? But don't blindly buy according to my video. All right, so guys, what you're looking at here is a screenshot of an exchange traded fund. No, this ETF isn't exactly everything and only of what I want to talk about in this video. It is part of what this video is. So let me continue. Breakwave Dry Bulk Shipping ETF, guys, ticker symbol BDRY. This is actually a screenshot from a video that I did for you guys here on YouTube when BDRY was at $6.58. I was very bullish on it, and I explained why I believe that this has a ton of room to grow. Guys, I believe that this ETF can easily go another 100%, and I'm going to explain the reasons why, plus some other shipping stock, not an ETF, that people should pay attention to. So it was $6.58 when I did talk about it. Where is it at today? Today it's at $10.60. It went from $6.58 on my previous video to $10.60. That's insane gains, right? That's awesome. Guys, I placed this purple arrow on purpose, and it's actually very important. I want to stress a point to investors, new and old. When we buy something that we believe in, when we buy something that we totally understand, we don't freak out if it goes down. When I made that video, it was at $6.58, and after that it went down to, I don't know what it was, like $3, $3.50 or whatever. You would have thought that Mike was a lunatic and whatever, and that's fine. You know, like I said, you got to do your own due diligence. But I knew this thing would turn around for sure, and that it would be worth more than $6.58 anyways. So it's at $10.60 now. Now let's get to the point of why I believe this, plus the shipping stock and shipping stocks, are going to go much higher. Guys, have you heard in the news about what's going on with the Houthis? If I pronounced it right, I probably killed it. They are attacking ships, right? And making things very hard for the shipping industry. And, well, primarily they're attacking Israeli ships, but, you know, you never know. I mean, maybe it won't be an Israeli ship next time by accident or whatever. In any case, no company wants to, whether it's Israeli or not, wants to go through that passage and on towards the Suez Canal, knowing that their ships are in danger, right? So for now, there's a temporary pause in the shipping industry going through. In fact, the Suez Canal has seen like 90% reduction in traffic. This is crazy. This is driving up the dry bulk shipping industry, the oil shipping stocks, and much more. So attacks in the Red Sea add to global shipping woes. The shipping stocks extend the rally as the Red Sea traffic is paused. And what happened in the past? Can history teach us anything? Yes, it can, because in the past, there was an Israeli-Arab war, and this did disrupt the Red Sea passage. This made a total stop in ships going through the Suez Canal. What happened that time? Because it is very important to know what happened then in order to understand where we're going in 2024 and how we can be more sure about our investment in the shipping industry. When that happened in the past, guys, things exploded. But don't take it from me. Let's listen to one of the leading industry experts in the shipping industry who has over 50 years of experience, and he's been through the past. He's been through the Arab-Israeli war of the past and what it did to the shipping industry.
My so-called long career in the industry, I can go back to some global events here, which if we look back in retrospect, yes, had a tremendous impact on shipping. So about the time I started sailing, which is about 50 years old now, 50 plus years, there was this Arab-Israeli war, okay, call it the 7-Day War, whatever. Post that war, the Suez Canal got closed, 1973, and it was closed for almost 3 years, if I recollect. For those 3 years, you can imagine what happened to shipping. And every service, I mean, we used to work for SCI, an Indian company. So all the services went round the Cape to Europe, to the US. I don't think we had the tools then to sort of simulate the effect, but those were the good years when every sector of shipping went berserk, went through the roof.
So as you can tell, when the Suez Canal closes or is disrupted, the shipping stocks do go up. If it's disrupted or closed for a very long period of time, shipping stocks explode. And you can see that the partial disruption that we have now has already made shipping stocks go upwards. Did I give you a dry bulk shipping stock in the past? Yes, I did. And that is Safe Bulkers. Here's a screenshot of a YouTube video I made for you guys, and that was for Safe Bulkers, ticker symbol SB. As you can see, when I made that YouTube video, the stock was at $2.99. The stock right now, guys, is at $3.85. So we're doing really well with Safe Bulkers. Safe Bulkers, in my opinion, in 2024 will surpass $5 US. This is just my opinion, not a fact. Will the Breakwave dry bulk shipping ETF, BDRY, also go up? Yes, of course. If the dry bulk shipping industry and the dry bulk shipping individual companies stocks go up, yes, the ETF is going to do very well. Are you better off with BDRY than going with a specific stock like Safe Bulkers? That's a choice that people have to make. I think BDRY is stunning. I think it is a great ETF. I think it's going to do very well in 2024. So either way. Michael Berry, for example, and me have gone with Safe Bulkers. Let me give you a quick video of what BDRY is so you can understand how it works, right? It's good to understand how things work before we invest in it.
Shipping is a fascinating business. Every day, thousands of ships transport millions of tons of cargo around the world, keeping the global economy moving. Ships generally operate similar to a car service, where customers hire them at an agreed-upon price to transport goods. Supply and demand of ships for hire can vary greatly over time, affecting the price of shipping. This makes future prices of hiring a ship difficult to predict, and in turn makes it challenging for customers to budget future shipping costs. How much do I have to pay 2 months from now to transport a specific cargo from point A to point B? The risk of shipping costs going up unpredictably can be a real concern. That's where freight futures comes in. Freight futures are financial instruments that provide exposure to shipping costs at a future point in time. By participating in the freight futures market, ship users can reduce their exposure to future shipping cost fluctuations. At the same time, investors can profit from trading such a product based on their own views. Given the volatile nature of shipping, returns on freight futures can potentially be lucrative, but they aren't without risk.
Alright, so to put a conclusion to all of this, I think Safe Bulkers, ticker symbol SB, and I think BDRY, the ETF, are both going to go up in 2024. If you want to learn more about stocks or ETFs that are going to go higher, you can join us in my Discord, and the link will be in the comment section below. As always, hit the like button, share, comment. Those things really do help, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.